Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering P0003, which stands for Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit Low. This one's all about voltage, or more accurately, a lack of it, going to your fuel pressure regulator. Code P0003 means the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the voltage in the control circuit for the fuel volume regulator is too low. This regulator is what meters out how much fuel your engine gets. So when it isn't getting enough voltage, it may not work at all. It's common on engines with electronic fuel pressure systems and can cause both drivability issues and fuel delivery problems. So what causes low voltage in this circuit? The most common issues are shorts to ground or high resistance from corrosion or frayed wiring. You could also be dealing with a faulty fuel volume regulator solenoid that's internally shorted. Check your connectors for dirt, damage, or loose pins. And while it's not the first thing to test, a PCM fault could also be to blame. Here's what you might notice. First, the check engine light will definitely come on. The engine may hesitate or stall, especially when fuel demand increases. You might also see a drop in fuel efficiency or rough running. That said, in some cases, the only symptom is the code itself, so a scan tool is your best friend. Start your diagnosis by plugging in a scan tool and watching fuel pressure data. Next, check the wiring between the PCM and the fuel volume regulator. Look for corrosion, shorts, or breaks. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of the solenoid and check for continuity in the circuit. If the regulator solenoid is out of spec, replace it. Only go after the PCM if you've confirmed all other components are working properly. And that's a wrap on P0003. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY diagnostics, and let me know in the comments what codes you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.